Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to save scanned documents from notes to photos on your iPhone. Alright, now here's how we are going to do it. I want you to go ahead and open the settings here, and in the bottom you should be able to see here the apps. And in your apps I want you to head over and look for the notes, this one right here. And then I want you to go ahead and scroll down below, and you should be able to see here save to photos. Go ahead and ensure that this is enabled. Once done, I want you to head over to your notes. Go ahead and take a new note right here and tap this button right here. Take photo or scan documents rather. And what you're going to do is basically just scan that particular document. So say for example, like this. All right, I've taken a picture of it. I can go ahead and click this one right here and then click the adjust button. So from the adjust button, I'm going to go ahead and do a slight adjustment just like so, and click this check button. Close this, click the check button right here, and you can see that now this is good. Now what I've done is just take a photo of this one or scan that document, but if I head over here to photos, you should be able to see that now I have captured, or I have that very same document that I was taking a photo of. And again, that's how you're going to save scanned documents from notes to photos on your iPhone.